It's gonna be a dizzy baby.
Put her down, I want to see her walk.
Oh. Yes, sweetheart. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. What did Mom and Daddy do? What did Daddy do?
She wants to go back in it.
Hey girls, the tire swing's open. You better go get it. Hurry! Hurry! You can. I'll be right behind you.
Are you picking your nose?
No.
I just saw you. I've got it on camera.
She needed it so bad, and so there wasn't much